I'd like you to meet Bruce. As you can see, he's a real swell guy. He was one of the cameramen for Victoria Energy's expedition to Puerto Rico. As we worked our way around the island, he helped us get a lot of footage for our interviews and renewable energy site visits. So Bruce was also our drone guy. He was nice enough to bring along his brand new $500 DJI Spark drone, and he got us some absolutely amazing shots. Check out some of these bad boys, like this one, and this one, and this one. Pretty awesome, huh? Anyways, Bruce loved his brand new baby drone. Here he is flying it over a solar field. It became a real centerpiece for the expedition, and he was super protective of it. But one night, Nate convinced Bruce to fly the drone down the old and narrow streets of San Juan, and Bruce crashed it onto the 5th-story ledge of a building. I only wish I had recorded Bruce's booming voice yelling at Nate. That was one of our more epic experiences of the whole expedition. The next morning, we woke up super early, drank some coffee, and had one thing on our minds: getting that drone back. We walked over to the building and lucked out big time. Even though most of the businesses were closed, we bumped into the building manager by chance, and he took Bruce up to the 5th floor while Nate and I waited downstairs.
Okay.
And we're gonna catch it.
We're gonna possibly catch it if necessary with this. Wow.
In this blanket.
Is quite the rig.
Oh boy. And then, success. Bruce and our friend just retrieved the drone. Thanks to a solid team effort and a desire to recover the drone at all costs, we ended up having a very successful mission. And the drone footage should be coming out soon. So there you have it, the short story of Bruce and his drone. And they lived happily ever after.